He and his observer sheltered under the steel ramp of an abandoned landing craft and were unhurt. Turner returned to England, picked up another Cub from Southampton, and on D-Day plus 11, the 17th of June, landed above Omaha Beach. Fittingly, one of the pilots flying the Cubs in front of us today is himself named Tom Turner. But flying these little aeroplanes so close to the front lines in Normandy could be a very hazardous business for those on board. Well, the German flak gunners have now spotted the Cubs and opened fire, and the Cub pilots are about to split formation.
On the way.
But still the flags opening up. In spite of which, the L-4s are continuing on their patrol, having sent out those initial messages to the
.50 right, repeat range, fire for effect. Battery fire.
Progress extremely difficult and casualties increased, but soon things improved, and in this, L4s like these had a huge part to play in not only directing artillery, but also performing liaison and communications tasks right on the front lines. Well, in spite of the initial hits, it looks like the artillery needs to adjust its fire a bit, and the Cub crews can see exactly how they should do it.
Base point is 500 left, 210. Over. On the way. 50 right. Repeat range, fire for effect. Battery firing for effect.
first two L-4s to actually operate in Normandy, so far as is known, were from the 456th Parachute Field Artillery Battalion, part of the 82nd Airborne Division.
If you're in bed later, then...
Sorties mounted by Allied units on that momentous day, the 6th of June 1944, and thereafter as Operation Overlord continued.